All right, fellas, today we're talking about Shilajit, what it is and how to use it. I've been often asked about this particular herb and what are my thoughts on it, and so yeah, let's go. And you want to stay tuned because I'm going to break down exactly what it is, the benefits you can get from it, and also the contraindications, as in, yeah, you shouldn't use this one. I've been using it with Goodwood Advanced, and I'm going to break down what the effects are on me. And hey, this is Brian, aka Uncle B, the men's performance coach with Goodwood. And so today we're going to talk about the benefits, the scientific studies, who shouldn't take it, and yeah, how it works with other herbs. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. So let's talk about what is Shilajit. It is a natural tar-like resin formed from the slow decomposition of plants over time. We're talking about centuries. It's mainly found in the Himalayan mountains, Caucasus, and other high altitude regions. It's often referred to as rock sweat. That doesn't sound appealing at all. Or mountain tar. That's not much better. It's known as a powerful adaptogen, and it helps the body resist stress and fatigue. That's always good in the bedroom. This has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine and is known as a rejuvenator. It is believed to enhance strength, energy, and sexual vitality. It is also supposed to help, according to ancient texts, in such thing as aging and infertility. That's an interesting combination. In Indian medicine, it is known as the conqueror of mountains and destroyer of weakness. So let's get into the scientific research behind all of this. So when it comes to boosting testosterone levels, studies have shown that taking purified Shilajit significantly increases total testosterone for men aged 45 to 55. Now we're going to get all the way down to the mitochondrial function and energy, because we have a 2016 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, and it found that Shilajit enhances energy levels by increasing ATP production. Yeah, you're getting some energy out of this. It also helps with cognitive function. It may even protect against Alzheimer's disease by preventing protein buildup in the brain. It's also an anti-inflammatory. It demonstrates strong antioxidant and strong anti-inflammatory properties. This can help protect tissues and promote recovery. And of course, you got the fertility and sperm count. Studies show that men taking Shilajit for 90 days saw an increase in sperm count and mobility. So those are the scientific studies, but we also have these benefits. Increases energy and stamina. And that's for my athletes who don't want to get that burnout or experience fatigue. It enhances libido and sexual health. Basically, it's a natural aphrodisiac. It improves male fertility, erection strength, and sexual desire. And all of that, of course, you got to support that heart health, may reduce cholesterol levels, and improve heart function. And as we mentioned before, it boosts that cognitive function, helps with memory retention and focus. And it has some anti-aging properties because it's packed with antioxidants. It's fighting those free radicals, and that slows down the aging process. It also strengthens the immune system. And that's because you get a high mineral content. That's very important. It promotes detoxification, so you get those heavy metals and those bad toxins out of your system. And you have that bone health. It contains minerals that strengthen your bones and prevents osteoporosis. So let's talk about the best ways to take this Shilajit. So for a dosage, you want between 300 to 500 milligrams per day for the adults. Now, of course, you want to start with a lower level to test your tolerance. It comes in resins, in powders, or in capsule form, but the resin form is considered the most potent and pure. And for consumption of the resin, you want to ball it up into a pea size and add that to warm water, tea, or milk. I would go with the tea. Adding it to milk, not the tastiest. So you also want to take it in the morning on an empty stomach. That way it can get into your system. Now, as always with most herbs, you need to be consistent because it's going to take a week to a few months before you really feel the effects. Now, one of the things you don't want to do is heat it. Do not boil it or microwave it because that's going to destroy the beneficial compounds. So let's talk about those contraindications and basically the side effects. And of course, it's not recommended for women who are pregnant or nursing. And it may interact with diabetes medication because it can lower blood sugar levels. So diabetics, yeah, check with your doctor first. And for those guys who have conditions like excess iron, you should avoid it because of its high iron content. It can cause some allergic reactions in some people, such as itching or rashes. And one of the most important things is you want to make sure you ensure that you're getting the most pure and free of heavy metals form, like the kind we recommend on the GiveGoodWood.com website and the link below. So, how does this work with other herbs when we're talking about Goodwood or Goodwood Advanced? Well, basically, taking these together are going to amplify the testosterone levels more effectively. That's going to lead to better performance, recovery, and stamina. And of course, you get that increased nitric oxide and blood flow. That's going to help you achieve those firmer erections while supporting overall cardiovascular health. And you're going to see a boost in energy, along with stamina and that recovery. This duo is going to give you a sustained energy boost, reduce fatigue, and support faster recovery time, especially after that intense physical activity. And it's just going to give you that improved sexual desire and performance. And one of the other cool things is supports stress reduction and mental clarity. That's going to help you if you have stress-related ED, and it's just going to support your confidence in the bedroom. Now, just talk really quick about the time it takes for it to work, because with Shilajit by itself, short-term effects, we're talking in the first 1 to 2 weeks, you get an energy boost, stress reduction, and improved digestion. And then when you get to weeks 2 to 4, you get that libido and sexual performance, along with improved recovery. And the long-term effects, we're talking about that 4 to 12-week window. You get the testosterone boost, fertility benefits, and cognitive support. So the most important things, guys, if you're going to take Shilajit, which I would highly recommend you do, one of the things is stay consistent with it. You want to make sure you get the high quality Shilajit, because that just works faster. And as always, it is a supplement. It's supposed to supplement the other things you do. So make sure you get your eating, your sleep, your exercise, your intermittent fasting, and your stress levels all together. And of course, if you're taking a whole bunch of medications, check with your doctor first. This stuff is strong. So there you have it, fellas. Let me know in the comments section what you think about Shilajit if you used it before. And as always, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.